Is Offernation really a way to potentially earn $500 or more per month without any investment at all, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael and I have tested hundreds of different free ways to make money online, and many viewers have asked me for an updated Offernation review, so therefore I decided to record this video. I will give you an inside look, I will show you both the pros and the cons because it definitely has both in my opinion, and then based on that you can make your own decision whether this is the right earning opportunity for you or not. So let me just start by going over who can join. And Offernation is a platform you can join from basically all countries, and you can join completely for free, and you can also see you can actually get a $1 joining bonus if you decide to sign up. But let me now log in and then I can explain a bit more about how you can earn and how you can also get paid and how much you can overall earn. Because when you first look inside the platform, it looks like some people are actually earning more than $500 per month here, but we'll talk a little bit more about that later so you know what you can also expect for you before you join. So I have now logged into Offernation, and as you can see it has quite a lot of different ways to earn here. You can either just come in on the dashboard and you can scroll through, you can see the different service and things like that, or you can just go through the top and go through what you prefer. For example, if you prefer paid service, you just click here and then you'll get the overview. You can see the different survey partners there. They have some different ones there. They have quite a lot of different ones, as you can see. So if you like taking paid service, definitely a lot of options in here, and they also pay quite decently, I would say. Another of the main ways to earn inside Offernation here is the Offerwalls. You can see here also they do work with quite a lot of different providers there. You would just need to click any of these Offerwalls, it will open up. You can see exactly what they offer there. Some of them offer also more service there. You can see, let's say a device here, we'll save it and then you get access to it. You can see sometimes you get paid to download an app, sometimes you take another service, sometimes you play a game. There's different kind of offers. Just always when it comes to paid offers, click it, read the exact conditions so you know if there's a time limit, what you need to do and all that, and then you will get the reward. You can always see up front. I would say the rewards here on Offernation, they are quite average. They are decent, not their absolute highest, but definitely also not below average, so you can find some quite good paid offers here for sure. Another interesting way to earn on Offernation is that they have this $1,000 cash contest. So it's every 3 months they have that, and you can see if you end up as the top earner, you can see, for example, here that person here stands to win $350 on top of what that person already earned. And as you can see right now, that person has earned more than $1,000. So that's why I say here that some people can actually earn more than $500 per month, because at the time recording this video here, we are not even 2 months into the 3 months period here that they're running this contest right now there. So that means that that person actually earns more than $500 per month. So that gives you an indication that some people do, but that's the absolute top earner. A couple of the next earners here, they will reach close to that probably within 2 months or so. So like close to $500 per month, maybe a little bit less. But as you can see, some people actually do, but we'll talk a little bit more about the overall earning potential, what that would require and what is realistic for you later. But no matter what, as you can see here, they do have this cash contest here. You can get some great rewards. Even if you do not end up in the top 10, you can see you can still get like a $10 extra here. So some really great potential there. So you can keep an eye on it. And if you can see, oh, I'm close to moving up the list there, you can just put a bit more effort in, earn a bit more, and then you potentially get an extra great bonus. So this section is also something that's definitely worth keeping an eye on. But let's now also talk about how you can get paid, because that's of course important to know before joining any earning platform. So when it comes to getting paid, you just need to be aware that you sometimes earn points, sometimes you earn cash, but you can just convert your points into cash if you just want to get paid in cash. So, that's just something to be aware of. You can use the points to redeem certain rewards, the cash to redeem others. Exactly which payout options are available will vary depending on where you live. You can see right now as cash, I only have PayPal there, but if you look at the website there, it also shows that it offers, for example, Tango, Skrill, Amazon, and Venmo. So I'm assuming that differs depending on the country. Please, if you decide to join, if you're already a member, share below which country you're in and which payout options you have. That would be great to hear. But anyways, as you can see here, for PayPal here, right now I don't have enough here to withdraw, and I will explain in just a bit why that is. Even though you can hear I'm quite positive about it, there is a very specific reason that I have not earned enough here to actually cash out, and you will understand in just a bit here. But as you can see here, you just need to earn like $3 to withdraw here, and then you can get paid. They even offer like instant PayPal. Then you only need to earn $1 there to cash out. Maximum for that is $50. The others here, there is not a limit to how much you can withdraw, so you can let it build up and cash out. What I really like is that they have this 8-hour payment promise, so that means that they do pay out latest within 8 hours. The first time you cash out, there might be an extra verification, but after that, and they usually pay out even faster. And I know that for a fact because the same company here runs another site also. So I'll talk about that in just a bit, and this is also the reason that I have actually not really used this platform a lot. But overall, it offers great payout options, fast payout processing, low payout threshold, all something that I really like about a Get Paid To site. But let's now then talk about overall how much can you earn here, and why is it, when I'm quite positive about it, that I have not spent more time earning on this platform. Let's talk about that next. So let's talk about the overall earning potential. As you can see there, some people are actually earning more than $500 per month, but be aware that these are the absolute top earners from countries where the most earning opportunities are. Overall, Offernation offers decent reward. It offers many different ways to earn. I would say, in some countries, yes, it would be hard to earn a few dollars per day. In some countries, definitely, possible on average to earn $10 per day. If you put in a lot of effort, you can see you can even go even higher if you make sure not to just take paid service, but also some of the paid offers that pay quite a bit more if you just choose wisely. But why am I then not using more? Why haven't I earned more? Well, the reason for that is that Offernation, even though I think it has many great things going, is that it's owned by the same company that, for example, has SuperPayMe and RewardingWays, and they offer basically more or less the same, and many of the same offers, many of the same service, all that. So that is why I started with SuperPayMe and RewardingWays earlier and just started preferring those. And since Offernation is by the same company, basically offering the same, I just personally prefer especially SuperPayMe and then RewardingWays kind of as a second if I have to choose between these three, all owned by the same company. So that is the reason that I'm actually not using Offernation, even though I think it has some good things going. For example, the low payout threshold, decent rewards, good payout options, and that it processes the payments quickly. So I just wanted to clarify that, because that can be a little bit confusing. Like, there's a company owning several of these here, and what's the difference and all that. And this is basically the reason that I just prefer these two others there. If you want to know more about, for example, SuperPayMe or RewardingWays, I also have full written tutorials on my website. You can also find joining links there. I'll leave links below so you can go and check that out. Also, if you want to see a full written review of Offernation, I also have that on my website. I'll also leave a link to that below so you can check that out. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you figure out if Offernation is for you or not. And if it did, make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.